Guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're taking a look at my Tesla Model S. This is my 2015 Model S, and it came with the 21-inch wheels. They're like kind of that gray, dark gray metallic painted wheel. And if you can see here, I have a pair of 19-inch, these are kind of the standard or the base wheels that came on the Model S. They're kind of the fork design, 19-inch wheels, 8-inch wide. I picked these up on eBay for less than like, I don't know, it was like $290 for all four of them. It was a pretty good deal. All right, guys, so the reason why getting a backup set of wheels or a second set of wheels and tires is because a couple months back, I got a flat tire in one of my rear tires. Got a piece of metal. It was not fixable at all. I had a special order the tire because these 21-inch tires they're not that common, and so you're not going to find them in stock at your local tire store. So I found these silver wheels, these 19-inch silver wheels on eBay. Like I said, about $290 for all four of them shipped to my door, which I thought was an awesome deal. And I just found these tires. The tire size I'm going to use on these are it's the same. It's the OEM size 245 45 R19. These are the Yokohama Avid GT tires. Someone was selling these. They're almost brand new locally, and so I want to have a backup set of tires, but I don't love the look of these standard wheels. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take these over to the powder coaters. I'm going to get them powder coated gloss black, and I think that might give it a little better look than the silver look. Just with having the gray wheels and the black car, I just think the all black wheel would look pretty cool. So I'm going to get these loaded up, take them over to the powder coaters, and we'll see how they turn out. They might take them a week or two to get them done, but we'll see how they turn out when we get them back, and then we'll get them mounted up and mounted on the car. All right, guys, I'm here at the Utah Powder Works. They're a local powder coater in my area here. Just picked up my 19-inch wheels. Get them home, we'll get them unwrapped. See how they look. They look awesome. All right, I'm here at Discount Tire, getting the tires put on, and then we'll go home and put these tires on the car. All right, guys, got the wheels back from Discount Tire. I got my black center caps. I ordered these separately, ordered the caps separately, and then these lug nut covers. They came with these lug nut covers, so because the lug nuts are actually chrome, and those just slip over the lug nuts. So I think they look awesome. Let me get these put on, see how they look on the car. You see here's the lug nut covers right now, kind of like a gray. So we'll just replace them with the black ones. Now, I know these wheels and tires are not going to look as good as these ones. These are the 21s. These look awesome. But I'm thinking this might give me a little more road comfort. And it give me a little more tire life because these are not a staggered set. This set here has a bigger wheel and tire on the back, and so I can't rotate them. These I'll be able to rotate. And the tires are cheaper on the 19s. All right, here in the car, I'm actually put the suspension to high because I need a little more clearance to get my jack under there. And then to be able to jack it up, I want to go to service and enable jack mode. Jack mode kind of disables the air suspension. All right, guys, so the wheels are on. Took it for a test drive. Drives really smooth. They're balanced up really well. It's got a lot softer feel. Now that I have got a little more tire, 2-inch more tire on this car, actually feels really good. So I think it looks pretty good. I was concerned with how it was gonna look because, you know, those 21-inch wheels, they really look awesome. And this looks good. It doesn't look as awesome as the 21-inch wheel, but this should be able to get me a little more range, a little more efficiency, and cheaper tires. So I think I'm gonna leave these on for a while and just kind of see how I like them. But I'm happy with the look. Definitely look good in black. This is a gloss black powder coating. The powder coating was about $400 total, so $100 a wheel. I thought that was reasonable for a complete transformation look of the wheels. And then there was some curb rash, little damage to the wheels as far as like little nicks and things in them. They smoothed all that out, really got it, the wheels looking brand new. They look great. And then I put in those black center caps, those black lug nut covers. It really looks good with those red you can really see those red calipers now, those red Brembo calipers really stick out, which would really look good. Next step, guys, I do have a blackout kit for the chrome. I think this was gonna look a lot better if I get that chrome all blacked out. I've had it for probably, I've had it probably for almost a year. I just haven't gotten to putting it on. So I think that's gonna be the next step. I think getting that chrome blacked out is really gonna make it look a lot better. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.